I shot this video last fall so you can see what our kitchen looks like. You recognize the spot there where we've shot most of our videos. Over on this left side are pantries. The good news is we had two sets of doors here, but the bad news is it's pretty shallow. The refrigerator is jammed up against the range. We put this range in. I actually started with an electric range, so at least it was gas. The microwave, which is not a bad microwave, but it's old, it's beat up. You saw that it was cracked. The range doesn't have enough BTUs for me. There's an appliance garage, which is so out of date. My knives, you can see there. We've always hated this sink and that awful faucet. This corner is filled with stuff. Somebody called that opening there a puppet show one time, which is not that great. Well, as much fun as the puppet show is, I will be glad to have a great stove, a sink where we can drain our dishes, a prep sink, and where you can bake while I cook, or 3 or 4 of us can cook at the same time.
Charlie, are you going to be happy to get rid of this kitchen?
Yes, 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 yes.